Cold calling can be a great way to raise funds for your nonprofit organization. By reaching out to potential donors directly, you can share your mission and impact and ask for their support. This can be a more effective way to raise funds than relying on mass mailings or other traditional methods. Here are some tips on how to use cold calling to raise funds for your nonprofit. Target the right donors. Not everyone is interested in donating to your nonprofit organization. Target your cold calls to people who are likely to be interested in your mission and impact. You can do this by using online databases, donor lists from other nonprofits, and personal connections. Personalize your pitch. When you call a donor, personalize your pitch by mentioning something specific about their interests or why you think they might be interested in supporting your organization. This will show that you are genuinely interested in them and that you are not just using them as a name on a list. Be clear and concise. State the purpose of your call up front and be clear about the amount of money you are asking for. Be concise and to the point and avoid using jargon that the donor may not understand. Be respectful of the donor's time. Don't waste the donor's time by talking for too long or by asking irrelevant questions. Be respectful of their schedule and keep the call brief. Follow up promptly. If you are interested in a donor, be sure to follow up with them promptly. This will show that you are serious about raising funds and that you are not just wasting their time. Here's an example of a cold calling script that you can use to raise funds for your nonprofit. Introduction. Hi, John. My name is Alex from, and we add the nonprofit organization. I'm calling because I'm reaching out to potential donors who are interested in supporting our work in, and we add the mission area. Pitch. We are a nonprofit organization that, and we add the mission statement. We have been serving the community for, and we add the number years, and we have made a real difference in the lives of, and we add the number of people. We are currently raising funds for, and we add the campaign name, which will help us, and we add the campaign goal. I'm asking you to consider making a donation of, and we add the amount, to support our work. Your donation will help us, and we add the impact of donation. Call to action. Would you be interested in making a donation today? If the donor is interested in making a donation, thank them and ask for their payment information. If the donor is not interested in making a donation, thank them for their time and ask if there is anything else you can do to inform them about your organization's work. Here are some additional tips for raising funds for your nonprofit through cold calling. Use a CRM system to track your calls and donors. This will help you stay organized and manage your pipeline effectively. Be prepared to answer questions about your organization and its finances. Donors will want to know more about your mission, your programs, and how you use their donations. Be honest and transparent. Don't oversell your organization or its programs. Be honest about the challenges you face and the opportunities you have to make a difference. Be respectful of the donor's decision. If they are not interested in making a donation, thank them for their time and wish them well. By following these tips, you can use cold calling to raise funds for your nonprofit organization and make a real difference in the world.